Automatic pet food storage containers weighing filling sealing capping packing machine line. Granules, particles weighing filling machine system for pet food, seeds, dry fruit, snack food. Automatic 1-out 4-pot plastic box film sealing machine. The box sealing machine is a packaging equipment specially designed for the sealing of boxed containers. It has the advantages of simple operation, stable performance, and easy maintenance. It can be used as a standalone machine or connected to a production line. The machine adopts automatic program control, beautiful appearance, reasonable structure, complete functions, easy operation. Meets the requirements of the national health law and meets the standard economic and large-scale production. The box filling and packaging machine is suitable for the packaging of various boxed products. The box sealing machine is widely used in the packaging of food such as pet food, fish and fruits and vegetables, cooked meat products. Automatic rectangular cap pressing machine. The grinding method adopts the cover to buckle and smoothly presses the shaft to fasten the cap to the bottle body. This capping machine is straight belt buckle capping, stable operation, fast speed.